Back in 2017, I had an idea. When two planets, moons, or stars collide, they are bulk reorganized to form a new sphere-like shape. I did this Bob's joining thing using Blender, an open-source 3D graphics, animation, and video editing program. It took a few minutes to render. Basically, all the mass combines to make a bigger mass. No surprises there. With a black hole, all the mass is thought to exist in a singularity at its center. It doesn't have a surface, but it does have an event horizon, a boundary. Inside the boundary, nothing, not even light, can escape. We can model this for any point in space by asking, can light escape from here? Which in math speak translates to, is the escape velocity here greater than the speed of light? Now back to my idea. There is a point between any two masses where the effect of gravity is diminished because anything there gets pulled in opposite directions. If they are similar in mass, then at this point their gravitational attractions cancel each other out. No gravity, no event horizon. I'm calling this the internal event horizon because it is also a boundary, but this one's inside the external boundary. The internal event horizon starts out like a rugby ball or American football shape. With the program I wrote, you can examine this phenomenon in real time. But there is a limit to how much one can zoom in with this program. To really zoom in, I wrote another program which generates a two-dimensional point cloud. The gravity cancellation is so extreme that both singularities end up inside the internal event horizon, a pocket of regular space. Links in the description.